Hello and good morning to sir and everyone. My name is Wong with matrix number 277813. So today I'm going to present my final year project products, which is BEA Book Exchange. I will start my presentation with the background of my project. So the BEA Book Exchange apps is an innovative mobile application designed to revolutionize book exchange process within education institutions. This user-friendly apps empower students to seamlessly connect with potential exchange partners, access affordable textbooks, and promote a vibrant reading community within their schools. By incorporating intuitive features such as streamlined book listing, secure user authentication, and merit system, these apps enhance convenience and efficiency. Moreover, it encourages book donation, fosters sustainable reading practice, and rewards students for their active participation. Through BEA Book Exchange, we aim to instill a love for reading, foster knowledge sharing, and champion eco-friendly practice among students, creating a positive impact on both education and the environment. Next, I will continue with the problem statement, which is the high cost of new textbooks at UUM and limited compensation for selling old volume creates financial burdens for students. So, current method of book exchange, such as emailing class lists or using online platform, prove inefficient due to low interest and response rates. To address this, we propose design an online interface for book exchange within the UUM community. The system aims to provide a convenience means for students to connect and trade second-hand textbooks and course supplies, fostering a culture of sharing and reducing financial strain. Next is the objective. I have three objectives, which is to design the book exchange mobile application, to develop and to test the usability requirement for a book exchange mobile application. Next, I will continue the presentation with the methodology. So, the study adopted the RAD, which is a Rapid Application Development Methodology proposed by Martins, which involved prototyping to gather apps requirements. RAD consists of four phase: requirements planning, user design, construction, and cutover. The flow allows for adaptability and iterative development. The design and development of the BEA Books Exchange apps follows the RAD phases. Requirements were gathered through questionnaire and literature analysis. UML diagrams such as use case, activity, and class diagram were used to model the app's functionality and structure. A prototype of the apps was developed using Visual Studio Code. The prototype showcased features like user registration, login, book listing, book exchange, and admin management. While the app's usability was evaluated through a Google Form questionnaire with UUM students. Next is the findings. So, this is the chart showing the findings of my project. Participants rate the app's usability on various aspects using a scale of 1 to 5. Most found the apps easy to navigate and praised its user-friendly system. Clear instructions and labels helps user understand feature effectively. The apps also perform well in terms of speed and responsiveness, providing a smooth user experience. While visual appeal was positively rated, some suggest design improvements. Opinions varies on organization and layouts, calling for optimization. Adequate feedback and error messages were available to assist user. Some features require improvement for better intuitiveness. However, adding book listing was convenience, and the book search functions needs refinement. Participants appreciate the clear and informative books description. The admin interface was user-friendly, aiding efficient platform administration. Contribution to society. The BEA Book Exchange apps contributes to society by fostering a culture of sustainable reading and knowledge sharing within educational institutions. It enables students to exchange textbooks, access affordable course materials, and build a vibrant reading community. By promoting eco-friendly practice and encouraging book donations, the apps reduce paper waste and support a greener environment. Additionally, it instills a love for reading and enhances educational by providing easy access to learning resources. Overall, BEA Book Exchange positively impacts both educational and the environments, creating a more sustainable and interconnected society. Lastly, I will have a demonstration of my final product. So for now, I will demonstrate my final product using this Visual Studio Codes. I already run the codes using Visual Studio Code. And yeah, this is the interface. So when we open the apps, this is the first page where will be come out, which is the welcome page. And yeah, this is the logo for my application, and then a welcome message. Next, the admin can use two functions, which is register and login. So yeah, I will demonstrate on the register function first. So the admin you need to enter username and password for registration. So for demonstration, I use the admin for username, admin, and then password. Let's try 12345 6. So yeah, if the password is not fulfill the requirement, so yeah, username and password cannot be blank. This is the message that will be shown. And then yeah, if the password is not correct, so for example, this is 12345 6, and then for this I put 12345 7. So yeah, the password is not matched. So user need to put the message, or if only 5 character is used, so the password should be 6 character longs. So I use 12345 6 for both, and then yeah, we suggest register. So the message registration successful will be shown here, and then yeah, we can use the login function. So we need to use the username and password that we created. So yeah, if the password is not correct, so yeah, invalid username or password will be shown. So yeah, this is what we registered just now. So after we log in, this is the interface will be shown. So for information, my application is using kiosk concept. So for this one, it will be shown using kiosk. And then yeah, if there's two function. For admin, they can use this function, and the student can use this function. So if I'm a student and in UUM and I want to have book exchange, I can click on here. So there's two functions. So for one is just to donate books, so I won't take any book, and the second one is exchange books. So I will give book and I will take one book. So I demonstrate of donate book. So this is book ISBN that the user needs to enter. For example, ISBN 13567, something like this one. And then the book title should be let's have physics, PHYSS6, physics book. And the book author may be Lam, or this is just for demonstration. And the book condition is good. And then matrix number. Matrix number is used for a record for merit purpose. So for information, everyone using this app will have merits. Okay, so for example, this is my matrix number 2778813. So I click donate. So the book will be donated successfully, and the student need to give the books to the admin. So will be admin will take care of this application. So after they donate, the information will save in the system, so that if anyone need to exchange, yeah, they can click on the exchange book exchange. So you can see if I want to exchange the physics, I can look at the information here. And then, yeah, for exchange books, we have the search function. So this is what I add before. Is already in the system. So the user can search for book titles, ISBN, author, or matrix number. So if the friend asks him, oh, you go to search my matrix number, I have a book for you to exchange. There's a function for them to use this one. So I will demonstrate one by one. So for ISBN, for example, 13. So the ISBN with 1313 will be shown here, or 12, sorry. So for example, if I 123, yeah, this function, this ISBN will is included 123. So if I want this one, I 1237 ISBN will be a project lah. So there is title also can use. So for example, I want to find a project. So there are two project of physics. So I want project. So if I want to exchange these books, I can just click on exchange button. So for example, I want to exchange this one. This one is the demonstration that I put. So all is one. I click on exchange. So this one is if I want to exchange, for sure I have a book to exchange. So this is my book information that will be key into the system. And for example, I put 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Book title, maybe this one, this time is chemistry. Sorry, this chemistry. So book author maybe is Raju. Oh, sorry. I accidentally click. Maybe Raju, book condition, maybe poor is already old. And then, yeah, the last one is the matrix number. So, yeah, matrix number 277567. Okay, I click on exchange button. Okay, so this is the exchange confirmation will be shown. So, yeah, for this one, the user will needs to collect the book ISBN. So for just now, this is a demonstration, so it's one. So user needs to use this ISBN for the redemption. So user can go to admin and then give the ISBN number, and then the admin will find the book for him, and then the user needs to give a book also to the admin. So it's an exchange function here. So for any this is the direction lah. So can redeem the book at the library or contact the staff. The phone number is given. Okay, so this is the function for donate book and exchange books. So lastly, I will demonstrate on the admin function. So if this is admin, so pin is to avoid the student for playing around with this application. So yeah, admin is 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is the pin that I set. So for everyone who register, I will give the pin to them. Okay, for admin, they can view and manage data, they can view profile, and then they can log out the system. So for manage data, the admin can do edit and delete function. For example, this is what I entered just now. So maybe I can edit if there is a wrong. So yeah, maybe 1, 2, 3, only 1, 2, 3, and then the title should be maybe this time is biology. The author is Kim, and then the condition should be poor or something else. So they can save the edit the function and click save. So the title or the information will be changed. So for example, this one is invalid. I want to delete. So the admin can click on delete function. So the book will be deleted directly. And then view profile. So admin can change his profile and then password, and then can enter the name, phone number, and address here. And then they should click the save button to save. Then the profile will update successfully. So for example, I want to put my name, Wong Wei. So yeah, I can also click save button, and then the profile will update. This is for admin profile. So user can admin can also log out from the dashboard. So this is for admin because is afraid that student log out this system and then need admin to re-enter, log in again. Okay, so when click on log out, this application will come up to the front page. Okay, so I think that's all for demonstration part. This is all for my final year project. Thank you for listening.